CRMA is a center of excellence for engine parts repairs, specialized in very big engines and CFM56. Innovation is in CRMA's DNA. Thanks to intense research and development programs, latest industrial technologies, and expert teams, we stay ahead of the market by offering new repairs to our customers. Our focus? Repair rather than replace. As part of an airline MRO, we better understand the added value expected by our customers. Quality, a key asset for CRMA, that leads to longer time on wing. Adaptive solutions that ensures effective and dedicated customer services supported by a global logistics network. Finally, innovative repairs, salvage solutions, competitive prices, short and reliable TATs that increase performance and reduce your maintenance costs. CRMA, the right repair at the right price.